Today I'm making some fabric bookmarks. I started by grabbing some sewing supplies, 2 different patterns of cotton, and some fusible interfacing. I started by cutting my fabric down to size. We'll need 2 pieces for the body, fusible interfacing, and a small strip of fabric to make a little tab for the top of the bookmark. Then I ironed all of my fabric and chose one of my fabric pieces to iron to the fusible interfacing. Then I took that tab piece, and to iron that one, I folded it in on itself, pressed it down, and then folded each side in towards the middle and pressed that down. Then I took these over to the sewing machine and did some straight stitches across, like this. Then I put my pieces right sides together, sandwiched the tab in between them on one of the ends, and sewed all the way around my bookmark, leaving a little gap to turn it right side out. Here you can see what that looks like, and here I decided to clip any extra seam allowances, the bit of the tab that was hanging over, and my corners. And now we're ready to flip it right side out, and I was really careful to pop out all my corners here. And here's what the bookmarks look like after a quick press. We'll have to go and top stitch to close that hole that we made. And at this point you can do any kind of quilting that you'd like, so I did a few different designs. Here on this one you can see I did a zigzag pattern, and on the other one I just did some straight lines up and down. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you make some bookmarks.